Hi guys, we are starting to learn practical with theory Indian classical music vocal. We know about seven swara like a sa, re, ga, ma, pa, dha, ni. So first of all, our voice quality better by first swara of sa. So speak with me to sa at least 5 or 10 minutes because the training must do riyaz every day and then he teaches. But beginners unknown about it. So we are doing first swara sa 2 or 5 minutes or more than it's depend our different type of throat quality. I suggest to beginners first swara is the most important. If first swara is proper place to speak, then no difficulty the next swara. If you speak sa, the condition is only sound in your mouth. Let's do sa. 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 Sa re ga ma pa da ni sa. It is called arrow upstairs. Sa ni da pa ma ga re sa. Sa re ga ma pa da ni sa. Sa ni da pa ma ga re sa. It is the downstairs avro. So both of you. Sa re ga ma pa da ni sa. Sa ni da pa ma ga re sa. So practice it and next video. Watch it.